Hi, so today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Outlook plugin, how to install it and what it can actually do as well. So the Microsoft Outlook plugin is designed for PCs, not for Macs, just to let you know. So the first thing we want to do is get the plugin. So to get the plugin, users go to the top right, click on Profile, and this is going to take them to a page where they can download the plugin. Because it's web-based, the latest plugins will always be here. So as Microsoft Outlook changes over time, these versions of the plugins will automatically change over time as well. There's also an installation manual here as well, some documentation, but you simply just click this to download it and follow the instructions. Remember to use your unique web address for your CRM instance, and then it'll be your username and password. We also have the plugins for Microsoft Word and Excel located here as well. So as we come across to Microsoft Outlook, we can see that it's changed slightly and we've got the plugin on the right hand side. So I'm looking at an email here from Richard Owen, and we can see here that Richard Owen has appeared on the right hand side along with anything that he's associated to inside the CRM, including meetings, any opportunities, tasks, calls, cases, etc. And what we can do with this is we have a number of options. So we can either choose to archive this email, so we can archive it. It looks up Richard Owen. If there was more than one contact within the system as well, it will show us the multiple contacts here. And I can associate this email directly with Richard by just clicking the box. But also if I click on this to make it larger, it also shows the things that Richard Owen is related to. So you can see that Richard Owen is related to access, he's related to a couple of opportunities. So if this email was to do with this particular opportunity around computers, I can click this as well and it will file away the email underneath the opportunities and underneath Richard, underneath access as well. So that's one way, and I just press archive. Another thing I can do is from an email as well, I can create a brand new record. I can create a brand new contact, a brand new lead, or a brand new opportunity, and it'll also file away the email as well. So from the other side of the coin, using the plugin, we can also create new emails. So if I create a new email here within my system, I can either look up people that I know that are already in my system. So if I say myself, but I can also look up addresses that are in the CRM system as well. And once I'm happy with this and I've created my email and it's a test, just for example, if I press this send instead of the normal Outlook send, what this will do is bring me back to the same screen we saw before and say, okay, we're going to file away this email and send it out. What do we want to file it out? Do we just want to file it against just Richard Owen, or do we want to file it against something that this relates to? Within the actual plugin itself, there is a number of settings. So we can choose for automatically sync to do a certain time. This is where we put in our username and password. We can also do a number of different things around contacts, appointments, tasks as well. Now, if we don't want to see all the modules on the right hand side, this is where it says side panel. We can choose what we can and can't see. If you've set a user up within the CRM system not to see, for example, case management, then they wouldn't see cases in here either. So with this in mind, we can also start looking at the calendar side of Outlook as well. So again, we can start either booking meetings within our Outlook and we can mark them to sync, and that'll sync across to the SugarCRM as well. So then within Sugar itself, what we will start doing is when we are filing away those emails, so for example I filed away an email underneath Richard Owen, those emails that we're filing away, whether they're underneath a person, an account, or an opportunity or case, or all of them, we'll start seeing them not underneath campaigns because that's our marketing emails, but underneath emails here. So we can see here, this is one that we archived earlier. We also have the option as well, if we've got our relevant settings in here, we can actually send an email directly from here and it will go through your Exchange server. So it gives the idea of actually, if people want to be using Microsoft Outlook because it's what they're used to, they can keep using Microsoft Outlook and they can file away the emails. The good thing is they can select which emails they want to file away, so it gets less noisy within the CRM system itself. It also means that people can use the software that they're used to using, and you're not forcing them to actually use the CRM system all the time for the emails. So again, it's about getting the user adoption, get the users happy, restricting the amount of admin they're doing. Because again, if they're automatically filing away the emails against the opportunities, the accounts, everybody has visibility, but you can also report on those KPIs as well and make sure that everyone's doing what they need to be done. Thank you very much for your time.